Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and I'm super excited to be bringing you this video because I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Netflix for free in 2025. This is going to get you a free Netflix subscription, saving you a bunch of money because, as you're probably aware, the Netflix prices keep increasing and it's almost to the point where not everyone can afford it, to be honest. So I'm going to be running through some steps today that's going to show you how to get a free Netflix subscription in 2025 using a promo code that you can enter in the app or in the website, and it's going to supply you with a free subscription, saving you a bunch of money. Because as you can see, standard now is around £13 or 15 US dollars a month. Premium is around 20 US dollars a month, and I'm going to show you how to get both. So use your mobile phone. You can see I'm using an iPhone. Doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you of course have an internet connection. And you've got to go to robotcoupons.com. So type it like this, guys. Exactly like this into your internet, robot coupons, and this is a coupon code website, and they saved me so much money on tons of things. They actually have a Netflix page, so if you go to the search bar here, you can literally just type in Netflix and it should pop up Netflix plan codes. So click on that page and scroll down. Now you can get a free 12-month Netflix standard plan, and you can get even a 12-month free premium plan. And as I showed you, premium is pretty expensive. So these codes are limited in number. So when you click on show coupon, you will need to unlock your personal Netflix code. And to do this, you tap on unlock code. And this is going to load up. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. I don't want to waste a code. I've already got Netflix, but you're going to see a new page and it will talk you through how to get your code. It will take about 5 minutes. And if this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you may need to complete a verification. But like I said, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Just follow through all of the instructions. And if you do everything correctly and complete a couple of tasks, your code will be revealed and you can enter it in the website. And it's going to supply you with a 12-month free Netflix subscription. So that is all you need to do, guys. Go to Robot Coupons, search for the Netflix plan codes page, select which code you want to get, fully verify yourself, complete a couple of free tasks, and that is going to get you Netflix for free in 2025. Enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.